Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to withdraw dogs from your token airdrop to your Telegram wallet. So it's really simple. So you will have to first connect your Telegram wallet to the dogs bot the app. So once it's connected already in to your dogs, you will be able to connect it both. So claim your dog's airdrop. It's pretty simple. You will need the dog's token. So this will take you to token table. From there, connect your wallet or connect your OKX wallet, which is both compatible, and then check your dog's balance on the wallet. So after you claim it, it's essential you should verify that your tokens have been added to your wallet and it should be shown there. So if it's not shown there, you might want to contact support to check on your actual balance or check on the blockchain explorer to check your balance. So you can also send dogs from the Telegram wallet to a centralized wallet if you want to. So there's Binance, there's OKX, there is Bybit. You can send it to those, and you can also convert it to fiat currency like USDT if you want to, if you want to cash it out. So it's just that simple to actually connect your dogs to your own Telegram wallet to withdraw it.